Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Skills. So today we're going to install the Cipher OS version 2.5 and this is Poco F1, the device that I'm going to install it in. And anyways, the look and the feel of the ROM will be very similar in all the phones, right? So this video will be divided into two parts majorly. The first part I'll explain how to install this, and the second part would be how this ROM looks and what are the features and other stuff, right? So if you are interested in just the feature, you can simply skip this video to the time that is being shown on the screen. So let's start the video, right? So before installing, I just want to let you know that this is a GApps build and this needs a clean flash. That means any data on your phone will be wiped. So keep that thing in mind, that and always keep your data backed up, right? So you need a TWRP to install this ROM again. So press the volume up and power button both at the same time for 7 seconds and you will land into the TWRP section just like this, right? So as soon as your phone vibrates, this will land in the TWRP. As you can see, Team Win Recovery, this is the version that I'm using, and here I'll go to wipe. For now I'll go to wipe, format data, and I'll simply type as yes, because this requires a clean flash, so we need to wipe the whole device, right? So again we'll reboot the system and again press the volume up and power button. This will land to the TWRP section. So this is a very standard procedure. Mostly this is how any custom ROM is basically installed. So I'll swipe to allow modifications, and you can see in the install there is nothing as of now. So what I'll do is I'll quickly copy the ROM file in the phone and I will meet you on the install screen, right? And before that, the link of this particular ROM is in the description, the download link, right? So I'll meet you on the other end. So the ROM file is successfully copied. As you can see, if I click on install, you will see the Cipher, this particular file, and I'll click on this one and simply swipe to confirm flash, right? Swipe to confirm flash, and boom, that it is starting. And just want to let you know, this is a Android 12 version and with the security patch of 5th of February, that is of this month. And the build, as you can see, is of 15th of February, right? So I'll quickly fast forward the video and I'll meet you on the boot screen. So as you can see, the ROM is successfully booting up, and again this is a GApps build, so setting this up like this whole thing might take some time, so I will save you that time. I'll set the phone up and I'll meet you directly on the lock screen. Hello, here we are, and the Cipher OS is successfully installed. First of all, have a look at the home screen. It is very elegant, it's very beautiful, and really the transitions are very smooth. As you can see, this thing is really smooth. So let's start looking at the things that this ROM is offering. So first of all, as you can see, just like any other Android 12 ROM, this is having a big brightness slider. Apart from this, there are a lot of options going on around. We have dark theme, we have mic access and camera access that you might have seen in other custom ROMs as well. If you turn this off, the camera will be blocked and you won't be able to see the camera. Just let's see if it works. And as you can see, unblock the camera, it says. That means the camera won't open unless this toggle is not on, right? So this is it. So I have installed two phones in the app. The one is the safety net app. This will check if the banking apps will run fine on this phone or not. So as you can see, this detects, fortunately, as a Pixel 6 Pro device, so the safety net passes, so you will be able to use all your banking apps. As you can see, all the signatures are verified. That means it's in a success state, so all the banking apps will just work perfectly fine. Let's go to the DRM info and see if this ROM supports the content in HD form or not. So it should be L1. Yeah, as you can see, the security level of DRM is L1. That means all your OTT apps, for example Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, they will work in 4K up to the frame rate that particular content is supporting, right? So let's go to the settings again and let's see what customizations is this particular ROM offering. Right, so in the customization, as you can see, we have 5 things going on around. The accessibility, I think I won't go into that. So let's go to the Monet engine. This is probably where all the customization of this particular ROM happens, right? So this toggle says use the wallpaper color. So whatever color of the wallpaper there will be, the color of the ROM, the accent color will change accordingly just to that, right? So let's go back and let's see what they are showing in the traffic indicators. Okay, so right now, as you can see, there are no traffic indicators. Maybe in other ROMs we have to manually install some third-party traffic indicators to know what speed is coming into our device. So here we'll just put it into status bar, okay, or just put it in the expanded header. As you can see now, there is a small icon, or you can say small information that is being shown for the traffic as a traffic indicator, right? So what do you want? Do you want download speeds, you want upload speeds, or what? So right now we are showing both, so that's how it is. And if you want to show the arrows whether the speed is, you know, if it's the phone is in download state or upload or both, so this is how we can do that, right? Let's go to the wallpaper section. So we have three things going on around. This is the very usual Android 12 wallpaper and styles where you can theme your icon. Right now, as you can see, the icons are very vanilla, and if we click on themed icons, since the color of the ROM is a little purplish, the icon will turn purple again, right? This is a little dark purple, so not exactly purple. So here we have that grid size. Oh my god, this app is supporting 6x7 grid size. That is okay. I'll click on this one and apply. Now, as you can see, the layout of the ROM is changed, and we can like literally plug more apps into this menu. Let's see. And if I do this here as well, does anyone else? No, we cannot put more apps here. So as you can see, we up to 6 by 7 we can put in this particular ROM. So again, the wallpaper and styles, I don't like that much of apps, so I'll just go with 4 by 4 again, just like this. And let's go back, and again wallpaper and styles, and here we can change the wallpapers. We have Cipher shades that are already built in and given by the ROM. As you can see, there are a lot of things going around. So let's change it to the very white screen, or maybe okay, can we can maybe shift the wallpaper a little bit, right? So yeah, I'll click it on this and home and both, right? So as you can see, the wallpaper is changed. Again, let's go back, and what else are we having here? So the change wallpaper is here. Okay, this is a very usual stuff. And again, let's go to settings. To what else do we are having here? We are having notifications, and again notification history, where you will be able to see all the notifications from all the apps that are installed in your phone. Whatever notification you have received in past 7 days, they will be here in a stacked manner, right? So we do have bubbles. If you want conversations to be in the bubble form, they will be here. And what else are we having here? So there are some things going on around, you can definitely see, right? And apart from that, maybe this thing is a little fine, blink light. This is probably for the charging toggle. If the phone is in charging state, there is a light in Poco F1, so that will probably blink, right? And there is an option in the privacy. Do you want to show the notifications on the lock screen or not? Right now it is on show, so I'll simply click on don't show to keep the notifications away from the lock screen. So let's see. Okay, and there is no lock screen on the phone right now, so this won't work, right? And apart from that, in the battery we do have thermal profiles, right? So if you are, you know, someone who likes to toggle, you know, wants a lot of customization, maybe you want to optimize an app for a particular scenario. Maybe let's assume this camera application is a gaming application, right? So I'll click on this one and it'll apply to gaming. So whenever this particular app is in open state, the app will automatically be in the in the performance mode or in the gaming mode, right? So this is how the thermal profiles work, and thermal profiles helps us, right? And apart from this, we can also show the battery percentage in the status bar by simply toggling this particular thing. And here is a battery manager. You know, I don't know if this really works or not, but it is there in all the ROMs that I have seen and I have tested, right? So apart from that, to check the screen on time and other things, this ROM, you know, I might need to take some time to check all of those things, but for now, this is it, how the ROM is like. And as I have shown you, DRM passes, the safety net passes, so I think this is good to go. Let's see if the calling works or not. So I'll click save. So calling also works perfectly, so this is great, nothing is broken. Let's even turn the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This is already working state, and flashlight works, so I don't think so there is anything wrong with this ROM as of now. So we do have a built-in screen recorder as well. As you can see, I missed this thing. So 3 options here. You can use the microphone audio, you can use the device audio, or both. That is how it works. And so show touches on the screen. Now if you will touch something, this will be recorded in that particular screen recording of, right? So this is the Cipher OS version 2.5. And do let me know in the comment section, how do you like this ROM, whether you are going to install it or not. And if you have any questions about this particular ROM, do let me know in the comment section or in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. We can discuss more things there, right? That's all for this video. I will see you on the next one. If you are interested in watching more videos like this, do subscribe to the channel. Oh my god, the battery was already low, so don't just blame this ROM. Okay, yeah, so I'll see you on the other end and probably in another video. Bye bye.